Hey guys, Joe from RV on the Run here. Today I want to talk to you about fuel savings and specifically saving at the pump and getting cash back. Now I know a lot of you, just like me, put on a lot of miles and use a lot of gas. And who doesn't love fuel savings or getting money back when they purchase something that they have to purchase anyway? So I've got a few things that I'm currently doing that's earned me quite a bit of cash back. All the links are in the description. You can get to my blog site and give detailed instructions on how to do everything, but I'm just going to go over a couple things real quick. Now the first one I want to tell you about is called GetUpside. It's an app for your phone which is available for both Android and iOS. And what they do is they give you up to 25 cents per gallon cash back, and it's available at over 5,000 different gas stations. All you do is open the app. It'll show you available gas stations in the area that are willing to pay you cash back. You select the gas station you want, you claim it, fill up, get a copy of your receipt, and upload the receipt to the app. And then in a couple days, you get cash back. What's better than that? Now the second thing I use is called Shell Fuel Rewards, which is this right here. Now standard, you can get 5 cents per gallon cash back on every fill up at a Shell gas station. Now the third thing I use is called GasBuddy, which is this right here. GasBuddy has an app for iOS and Android, and it tells you where to get the cheapest gas around. But the better part is you can get a gas card to purchase your gas with, and they give you 5 cents per gallon cash back up to 20 gallons. Now when you combine GetUpside, Shell Fuel Rewards, and GasBuddy, you can get a tremendous savings. I've been using GetUpside for a few months now, and I've already accumulated $40-something in cash back. My Shell Fuel Rewards, I save 7 cents per gallon at the pump every time. And my GasBuddy I've been using for just over a year and a half to purchase all my gas, and I've already gotten over $600 in cash back. In the description below, I put a link to all three of these cards: the GetUpside, Shell Fuel Rewards, and GasBuddy. If you go to my website, rvontherun.com, there's a link below that goes to my blog post, and it tells you exactly what order to use these in for maximum cash rewards and discounts at the pump. This is a short video, but I hope this video helps you get a little savings in your travels, since you're going to be spending the money on gas anyway. If you would, please hit the subscribe button below and also hit the like button. And I'll see you guys the next time.